Welcome to our video today, where we will explore the best banner design applications for Android. If you're looking for simple and intuitive tools to create eye-catching banners, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Banner Design Maker. This app is renowned for its user-friendly interface that allows both beginners and experienced designers to create stunning banners effortlessly. With a vast library of templates, users can quickly find a design that resonates with their vision. The app also provides customizable fonts and graphics, enabling users to personalize their banners according to their preferences. Whether for social media promotions, event announcements, or business advertising, this app equips users with the tools to produce professional-looking banners that can effectively capture attention and convey messages. Banner Thumbnail Maker. Tailored for content creators and marketers, this application excels at crafting eye-catching thumbnails and banners suited for various digital platforms. The user-friendly design editor simplifies the creative process, allowing users to easily add text, images, and stickers. With a selection of pre-designed templates, users can modify and adapt these designs to align with their branding needs. This app is particularly valuable for those looking to enhance the visual appeal of their online content, ensuring that their thumbnails stand out in crowded feeds and attract more viewers. Poster Banner Maker. Ideal for designing posters and banners for various events, promotions, and advertisements, this app stands out with its extensive range of templates tailored for different themes and occasions. Users can personalize their designs by incorporating images, text, and various design elements that reflect their unique style. The app also offers editing tools that allow for layout customization, helping users create visually appealing posters with ease. This makes it a go-to choice for anyone looking to make a strong impression with their promotional materials, whether for a community event, a business campaign, or personal projects. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this information has been helpful in choosing the right application for your design needs. See you next time.